आज दमन के लिए एक ऐतिहासिक दिन है और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की क्रांतिकारी उड़ान योजना के तहत 120 करोड़ रुपए से लागत से बनी ये नमो एयरपोर्ट आज गर्व के साथ उड़ान भरने जा रही है। ये हमारे सबके लिए एक सौभाग्य का विषय है। आज दमन गर्व के साथ नक्शे पर खड़ा है और कह रहा है अगर यहाँ पे आना चाहते हो तो सीधा दमन में आओ, हमारा नमो एयरपोर्ट आपको स्वागत करने के लिए तैयार है। यहाँ टूरिस्ट की अगर कैपेसिटी देखें, साल भर में करीब 5 मिलियन 50 लाख लोग पिछले साल पर्यटक यहाँ पे आए, तो कितनी क्षमता है यहाँ पर। हमारे उड़ान स्कीम के तहत आगे जाते हुए वाइबिलिटी गैप फंडिंग प्रोवाइड करने का काम हम करेंगे। जिस तरह से दमन में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे बना है, जिस तरह की संभावनाएं यहाँ पर हैं, तो जरूर आगे जाते हुए बहुत अच्छी कनेक्टिविटी यहाँ से कर पाएंगे। ये मेरा विश्वास यहाँ से मैं आप सबको देना चाहता हूँ। ये जो 70 सीटर एयरक्राफ्ट यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, इसको बढ़कर हम 180 सीटर वाला एयरबस या बोइंग उनको भी यहाँ पे उतारने का काम करना है। Today from the ministry we have conducted a workshop for the Udan scheme, which is going to be extended for the next 10 years. This has been launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on the 4th of July in Jodhpur, and there has been a lot of excitement in the civil aviation industry in the country on how we are going to implement it for the next 10 years. So we have taken the responsibility of explaining how the changes have been brought in, because this 10 years of extension is not merely just extending whatever benefits was given before, but we have taken a lot of feedback in the last 10 years on how the Udan scheme has performed. And the government of India has given an outlay of 29,000 crores for the next 10 years for this, which is quite huge. And we feel that the whole civil aviation industry and the people can take benefit of this and create a strong ecosystem of civil aviation across each and every part of the country. Now, what used to be a big challenge for us on how to create an airport, now we have mastered the art. We are creating airports every single month. We are creating either a new terminal or a new airport in the country. But now we have to go look forward on how do we improve the connectivity. The aspiration of the country today is that every single place wants to be connected to every single place, every single destination. So to cater for that, we have brought in some changes in the present Udan scheme and a challenge mode approach, and we are going to discuss actively with the states on how to build the airports also at a faster rate, because the challenging task is we want to build 100 airports in the next 10 years, but to build them in the right amount of time, we need to have a lot of support from the states. And I'm very happy to say in the workshop itself, we have had 100% participation from all the states, all the union territories. So that itself is an indication on how the states are very, very excited about the Udan scheme also.